Guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we'll be discussing about string statement and unstring statement. So let's first discuss with string statement. So string verb is used to concatenate the strings. Using string statement, two or more strings of characters can be combined to form a longer string, and delimited by clause is compulsory. So this is the syntax we have. So let first see the program in the mainframe to better you understand. So this is a simple program we have for string. So what does string does, guys? It combines the strings into the one string. For example, we have defined this temporary variables, the output string out, and another three strings also we have defined: string 1, string 2, and string 3. And string 1 we have added the value welcome to. In string 2 we have added the value COBOL. In string 3 we have added the value programming. So, and this is the output variable we have defined. We have not given the value here. So come to the procedure division. What procedure division does? String ws string input 1, this is 1, ws string is input 2, and ws string input 3. Okay, and delimited by space. Delimited sign is compulsory, guys. Delimited by space. Delimited by space. So what it is doing? String 1, string 2, and string 3 delimited by space when it finds the space into the ws string out. So what string verb is doing here is it is combining all three strings into the output string. So what output string ws string out would be? Welcome to COBOL programming. So this is the use of this string verb in COBOL. Let's see the syntax. String ws string 1 delimited by space, ws string 2 delimited by size. So with the help of size as well, we can check the strings into destination string with pointer. With pointer is optional, and ws count is output length of output string. On overflow display message 1, not on overflow display message. If any exception we found, for example, if we have defined the ws string out 30 characters, but all the three strings would be 32 characters. So this is the exception handling. On overflow display this, not on overflow display this. Okay, so this is the syntax we have, and this is the program we have. String verb is used to concatenate the multiple strings into the one string. So output for this would be welcome to COBOL programming. So string verb is used to concatenate the string. The same way we have the next COBOL verb, which is unstring. So unstring verb is used to split. The opposite it is doing. What string is doing? Unstring doing the opposite. It is used to split one string into multiple substrings, and it is all delimited by clause is compulsory here as well. So this is the syntax we have. Unstring ws string delimited by space into multiple strings 1, 2, string 1, string 2 with pointer. Ws count would be the length of the strings. Oh, this is exception handling. On overflow display message, not on overflow display message, and this is and unstring. So this is the syntax we have for unstring. Let's see the example in a mainframe. So this is the example we have for unstring. So we have defined the one variable, input variable, where we have the welcome to COBOL programming, and we have defined the 4 string output strings. So what we will do? We will unstring this one. We will do unstring this into delimited by space into the 4 output strings. So each output string would be, one would be welcome, one would be to, one would be COBOL, and one would be programming. So this is the use of unstring. Also we will display this unstring message. So unstring does the opposite of what string is doing. It is split the string into the multiple strings, and delimited by clause is compulsory. I hope, guys, you have understood the string and unstring verb in COBOL. So thank you guys. We will meet in the next one.